Hey everyone! Today we're celebrating a very special day, Juneteenth. It's a day of joy, reflection, and unity. Juneteenth, also known as Freedom Day, marks the day on June 19, 1865, when the last enslaved African Americans in Texas were finally freed. This was 2.5 years after the Emancipation Proclamation was signed. Today we celebrate Juneteenth with music, dance, delicious food, and fun activities. It's a time for communities to come together and honor our shared history. It's also a day to reflect on the progress we've made and recognize the work still ahead. Juneteenth is a reminder of the resilience and strength of African American culture and heritage. Teaching our kids about Juneteenth helps them understand the importance of freedom and equality. It's about passing down stories that inspire future generations. Let's celebrate Juneteenth with love, unity, and a commitment to justice. Together, we can continue to build a brighter future. Happy Juneteenth, everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more uplifting stories and celebrations. See you next time. And remember, freedom is for everyone. Let's honor and cherish it today and always. Happy Juneteenth.